Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatiki.
Yes guys.
That's the baby right there.
Yes.
Another unboxing, adding more to the stack.
Yeah, first of all, we know we're supposed to do a giveaway. Yeah, but we feel like the video is too old.
Too old. The one that we were going to pick a winner on.
Yes. So we wanted to give other
people a chance as well.
Yes.
That didn't know about the GAW.
That's true.
So we'll make this video where you need to comment, like and subscribe on this one in order to be eligible for a giveaway. And
there's a keyword
of which we'll leave along the video.
Yes, it's gonna pop along the video.
We will use that keyword to pick a winner, so you must make sure that you have that keyword in your comment.
Yes, in order for you to qualify for the giveaway. Same like the old one.
It's same thing. It's just a different video. Yeah, just like, subscribe, and put the keyword on the comment.
Yes, guys. Okay, guys.
Let's get on to today's unboxing.
Nice one.
She's also in the dark. She doesn't know which coin it is that is there.
She did a purchase secretly.
It's very nice. Very nice. She's in the dark as well, like you guys. I think you'll all find out. I'm the only one that knows what's in there. But it's a coin similar to this one.
As long as it's silver.
It was once a bullion. It's no longer a bullion, like ASE. I don't consider ASE a bullion anymore.
It's a collector.
It's it's numismatic.
That's true.
So this coin,
especially this one, the first one.
The one with no clip wing. The first edition. So this coin that is here, it's similar to this one. It was also once a bullion, but no longer a bullion.
Keeping us in suspense.
Which one is that? You should know by now. Okay, guys. Let's get to the unboxing. So we'll all find out.
Let's find out.
Yeah, let's not only be the only. Let me be only the only one that knows what's inside here. Okay.
You are the only one.
Yeah, let me not be the only. Yeah, let's just get to it.
As long as it's silver, I don't mind.
It's open now, guys. Think what we're looking for, it's that
inside.
What's inside there? Okay, let's continue.
Let's see.
Let's continue. I know you will be surprised. You will be surprised. You will be shocked. I was shocked.
Is it the
Morgan? Close, but
pistola.
No cigarette. Close, but no cigarette.
Pistola.
Hey, okay. I thought it was gonna come out there, but clearly I was wrong. Pistol? No.
Libertad.
The plata pura. The plata para, guys.
Wow.
Plata pura, guys.
Surprise.
I was also not expecting to get this when I was visiting the website where we normally buy our coins. I was really shocked when I saw it. I said no.
It can't be. They're pranking us.
They are really pranking us.
Because we never thought we'll find these coins. Because now the price, it's ridiculous.
Even there, the price was ridiculous. But we said, this is a coin we've been missing on our stack for quite some time, guys. This is the one. Let me just take it off the packet.
I'm so happy.
Plata pura, guys.
I've lost hope on this one.
This is the one that has been missing on our stack for quite some time. So
aloha.
Aloha. Yeah, I know aloha like the plata pura. Yeah, so let's just take a closer look I'll just okay, take that one out as well. Okay, we'll just take a closer look, guys. Wow. I know people know the plata pura, but it's been quite a long time since we've seen one.
Mixed pots, but I don't mind.
Yeah, it's old coin. It's an old coin. Milk spot I expected on this one, but the price, it was really expensive. That's a bonus for us if some are in a good condition, because they were a secondary market, guys.
Wow.
Okay, beautiful coin. It has been quite some time since we spotted one on any of the videos, on any of the channel. So I said no,
why not,
because this is the coin that has been missing on our stack for quite some time. It was really missing,
and we were like giving up on it.
Yeah, we thought we'd never be able to get it anymore.
It was how much a dollar? I mean per ounce, like $100.
Oh, per dollar, I don't know how much it costs.
Yeah, it was so expensive for us.
Yeah.
To even ship it out overseas.
Yeah, to even ship it this side, it was really expensive.
That's why we're giving up on it.
Yeah, we said no, maybe the plata pura will never be part of our stack. We'll just have to see it on the people's videos. Okay, but no. We were wrong. It's clearly we were wrong, because we managed to get it.
Yeah, that's.
And they sold very quickly, guys. I won't lie. They had about 30 of these in their inventory. But when I looked again, I think when was it? Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Everything was gone. Yeah. So I also acted very fast when I saw this one. I said no, let's just pick 5 of them.
Yeah,
let's just pick 5 of them.
If they're still there, we're gonna pick another 5.
Unfortunately, they're all gone.
Oh God.
Yeah, so guys, when I saw this coin, I said it's been a really long time since we've seen a plata pura.
Wow.
On any of the videos.
You really did well.
Yeah, the person that used to show it a lot was Aloha. So that's the only person that was really showing the plata pura on his channel. That was the only I think time we get to feast our eyes.
Some they did
much
have,
more
but
often.
He was the one who was
really
casually like really unboxing them.
I think part of his stack was the plata pura. Plata pura, guys, it's a Mexican coin, 1 ounce. Libertad. Mexican Libertad, guys.
Wow.
We like to call it a plata pura because the camera just said no. What are you doing? Because of that, guys, written plata pura. Okay.
I think it's their currency or something.
No, I think it's fine silver or something. 1 ounce fine silver. I think so. I'm Mexican.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Most of them, they are named.
We forgot to mention the word.
No, the word it's there.
Oh, we will leave it here, guys. That is the word that you need to put on your comment.
We didn't forget. It's there.
Hashtag grow together,
guys.
Okay, because that's what we all about, growing together, guys. Yeah, so that is why I said this coin,
they almost look the same.
It's the same as this one. They are normal bullion according to our eyes. These are normal bullion coins, guys. These are numismatic. So yeah. Okay, please like, subscribe, comment, guys. Don't forget the magic word.
Yes, which is where?
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
thank you so much, guys.
All right, thank you for the
subscribers, guys.
Yeah, watching our videos.
We couldn't have reached 600 without you guys. Really, honestly speaking, we couldn't have reached.
We really appreciate
600 without you guys. Yes. We really do appreciate these giveaways. Just a token of appreciation, just to show how much we do appreciate.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.